This is part 7 of chapter 1. I have not written here chapter 1. Actually, it is chapter 1. It is a lengthy chapter. So this total thing is divided into parts A, then B, and C. 3 parts are there. The A part concerns with electric field. Previously, I have taught you about the electric field, source charge, test charge, what is electric field, everything I have taught you. Now, this A part deals with that what is electric field intensity and what is its unit and the dimensions. Electric field intensity is a physical quantity which is being invented from the concept of electric field. Now see, here there is a stable point charge plus Q at point A. This is, I have taken a certain region around this stable charge plus Q. Now I have selected 2 points in this region, although there are so many points. I have selected 2 points only, P1 and P2. Now I want to know whether in this region there is electric field or any stable point charge or group of charges are present. When the group of charge or stable charges are present, then only that stable charge or different charges, they will influence the region. So I want to calculate the influence of that region. So for that I have selected 2 points P1 and P2. Then how I will detect the influence? I need a detector, a investigator. So for that I will take a test charge which will test the influence of that region. So that test charge is plus Q naught. Slowly I will bring it to point P1. When I will bring it to point P1, as soon as I will keep this plus Q naught here, this plus Q naught will experience a force. If there is any stable charge, then only that stable charge will exert repulsive force F1 on plus Q naught. Immediately I will confirm that there is a electric field, some source charge is present. Then again I will keep this plus QO at another point P2. So many points are there. Further I want to investigate whether there is repulsive force or not. Again when I will keep here, again this plus Q naught will experience a repulsive force from this source charge plus Q, and it is F2. So it is verified that in this region lies the electric field. Now, what is electric field intensity? Electric field intensity is actually the measurement of electric field by means of force experienced by test charge. When that test charge is brought from infinity to that point in the region. Again I am repeating, electric field intensity is the measurement of electric field by measuring the electric force experienced by test charge when it is kept at a point in the region. So that test charge is kept here, that means here the electric field is present, and the measurement of electric field at various points are called the electric field intensities at that point. So the electric field intensity, here I have written, is the measurement of electric field by experiencing force on unit positive test charge. Unit positive test charge, which is represented by plus 1C. This value of Q plus Q naught should be very less, but not less than the ultimate charge, that is the value of an electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So we have generally taken it as the easy numerical number plus 1C. So the value comes, if Q naught is kept here, the general force experience is F So plus 1c will experience F upon Q naught. So it has become the formula. E is equal to F upon Q naught, or E vector is equal to F vector upon Q naught. Since Q naught is very small, tends to 0 means it is not equal to 0 but very small, equal to 1 coulomb. Then I will represent this E vector limit. It has become a limiting case. Limit Q naught tends to 0, F vector upon Q naught. So again I have, this is another figure. Suppose if the stable point charge which is creating the field is plus Q, and there is a point P at a distance R, and the test charge is plus Q naught, then this test charge will experience repulsive force in this direction. So in this direction the electric field is there, because electric field is measured by force. So the direction of E means electric field intensity, is the direction of force experienced by test charge. Here, suppose if the source charge is negative, then when you will keep the test charge plus Q naught, here it will experience attractive force. So the direction of attractive force is towards the source charge, means in the direction P to minus Q, and that force is F vector. So the direction of E vector in this case is towards the source charge. Here it is away from the source charge. Now the SI unit of E vector, the SI unit and dimensions you can calculate from the scalar formula. The scalar formula E is equal to this one, Newton per coulomb. So this is the SI unit, Newton per coulomb. The dimensional formula, dimension of F and dimension of charge directly you can write I into T. I into T means the dimension of F is m and T minus 2 upon AT. So it comes m and T minus 3A inverse. This has become the formula, dimensional formula. This is part B, electric field intensity. Again I am continuing. This is part B. To calculate the E vector, electric field intensity, due to a stable point charge plus Q. In terms of, you have to make the formula of E vector in terms of R and Q. That is another new formula. So, this is a stable point charge plus Q. This is a point P where you want to calculate the electric field intensity in terms of Q and R. Q and distance R. P is at a distance of R. The unit vector in the direction of R is R cap. Now, whenever you want to calculate the electric field intensity at any point, you have to place the test charge plus Q naught. I will place the plus Q naught test charge here at point P. Now I will first of all calculate the coulomb force. I will apply the formula of coulomb. So Q1 is, I will assume this is Q1 and this is Q2. So F is equal to, and they are, the medium in which they are kept is a medium whose dielectric constant is K. So F is equal to 1 upon 4 pi K epsilon naught Q naught upon R square. This is the Coulombian force. Now I will apply the definition of E, which is E is equal to F upon Q naught. I will substitute this value as like this. So the Q naught will vanish, and this is the scalar formula of E. For vacuum K is 1, so put the K1, E is equal to this much. Now in this B part, it is again continuing. In vector form, how you can write? E vector is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square, and here you have to multiply it a unit vector. The unit vector in the direction of OP is R. So this is the. Now the relation between E and R at different points around a stable charge. So you just put the values of R along x-axis and the values of E along y-axis. So this type of curve will be obtained. This tells that the value of electric field intensity as the distance increases decreases hyperbolically. This is a hyperbolic graph. The C point is superposition of electric fields at a point. See, suppose if so many charges, n charges are present in a region and all are stable, and you want to calculate the electric field intensity at a given point P. I have taken point P. This and Q1, Q2, Q3, so many Q4, Qn charges, all are stable charges, and this is the point P. It is at a distance of R1, R2, R3, Rn. So again I will put here the test charge, and I will see the direction of force experience. Q1 will exert repulsive force. So this is the direction of E1. Q2 repulsive force E2. Q3 repulsive force E3, like this. These stable charges can be negative charges also. So to calculate the total E at point P, you have to add all these E's by vector method. So this is the principle of superposition of electric field, that the total electric field intensity due to several charges at any point in that region is the vector sum of individual intensities E1, E2 vector En at that point. In this way you can write. Now if you put the values of E in terms of Q and R, so you will write here. I have taken 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught common. Q1 upon R1 square, R1 क्या? Because this is vector form. Q2 upon like this. Now in a short form, you can write E vector is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught sine of summation. The general representation of net electric field at point P. So sine of summation. Here I will take Qth charge, Qi charge. So I start from first stable point charge up to n charges, Qi upon Ri square into Ri cap. So this is the total thing. Please go through it, learn it again and again. Thank you. Have a good day. Take rest. Enjoy good food, healthy food. Next day we will be with you.